Everyone's making this with bananas and pastry dough after discovering this genius idea. Here, I'll be using bananas. I'll start by cutting off the ends. After dividing it into pieces, now let's peel them. Now, on a plate, let's add one of these round pastry sheets. Place our banana in the middle. Now let's make cuts as I'm showing you. Once that's done, fold all the edges toward the center, just like I'm showing you. Repeat this process with the remaining bananas. Now let's transfer them to an air fryer. Set it to 180 degrees for about 10 minutes or until golden brown. Look everyone, how incredible it turned out. Now I'll top it with some whipped cream. If you prefer, you can also add some dulce de leche. It's your choice. After that, I added some cinnamon and now just enjoy. Look how amazing this recipe turns out. Make it at home and I'm sure everyone will love it. I hope you enjoyed this. This was another quick recipe from Pobre na Cocina. Big hugs to you all. Until next time. And see ya!